everybody.
Hey, everybody.
Welcome to Extraordinary Adventures. We are on the MSC Divina, and we wanted to do a room tour for you. We are on deck 12, the Aurora deck, and we are in 12113.
Right here at 12115 are our friends who are knocking at the door, even though we are filming our YouTube channel video of the room tour, because they are not nice.
Okay, so to enter, you want to put your key card in. It will open up the door. Hey everybody, this is Laura and Scott from Extraordinary Adventures Cruise and Travel, and we are interrupting the video you are currently watching to let you know that not only do we create videos like this, we are also cruise travel agents.
Yes, we are.
So if you are looking to book a cruise, we would love to help you. Reach us at any of the information below.
Call us, email us, check us out on the web, Instagram, you name it, we're there.
We'd love to help you plan your next extraordinary adventure. And then,
unlike the other MSC, you just check it. Laura can put a little thing in the corner.
Yeah.
There was the little lights and like you'd have the buttons to push. The ship is 10 years old roughly.
Yeah.
So that's a new thing, not an
so
old thing.
if you want your room made up, you put that one in. If you
Old
want
style.
the do not disturb, you put that one in. So we're going to put
Pretty
the do not
straightforward.
disturb in right now.
And then put that-
And then to turn the lights on, you put that in there, and that's going to provide electricity
There's a light.
to the room.
Okay.
Now, the one good thing about this versus the seashore that we were just on is that when you took this card out, all power went away for the room, which meant that even like our clock would turn off. You couldn't charge any batteries or anything like that. But this room, you can. So come on in.
Wait, you can because you've been putting this in that.
No, even when you turn it off, even when you pull it out,
The power stays on in the room.
power stays on in the room.
So what's the point of having the card in the thing?
It
get
only
it to
turns the
come on?
lights on and off.
Oh, like the
But
socket
the
power.
socket power.
Oh, good. Let me get past you.
Did I
like
make?
always do.
Did that
Let
make
me get
sense?
past you.
Yeah.
Why do we fight
Did
about this
that-
every room tour? Okay.
Because we do.
All right. Anyway.
Hello, International Beer Day.
Oh, it's International Beer Day.
It
Apparently.
is International Beer Day.
Yeah, I don't really know what that means, but it's on our thing.
Daily planner. It says
Right
International
there.
Beer Day.
And yeah, we don't know what to do with that because we have a drink package, so we don't really need to pay for the $25
International
deal. But
Beer Day.
yeah, cheers.
Cheers.
All right, so this is their balcony stateroom here on. It's a regular one. This is our first MSC non-yacht club, or as Laura calls it, the Yacht Club experience. We have the Yacht Club and the Knot Club. And okay, just quickly right off the bat, although we did enjoy the Yacht Club and we would do it again in a heartbeat,
Yeah.
it hasn't been bad to be in the Knot Club.
You can't call it that.
That's what we're calling it. You called it that, now that's what we're calling
dear.
it. Anyway, just
All right.
right off the bat, I want to get that out of the way so that you might have that question in your mind. We've been enjoying the Knot Club.
We have been enjoying it a lot, actually.
Okay, back to the room tour.
Okay.
So the first thing to point out is Laura doesn't like, but I like. I don't like, but I don't mind the colors. This gold and brown. I don't think it feels dated. I just think it's their style. Maybe it's an Italian line. You can see her face right there crunching up. Yeah. So, but that's the motif in the room.
It's
a
really
little
not my
bit
favorite.
snug. If you can see, there's a tiny little hallway here, a walkway here. Not like the seashore
No.
at all.
No.
But no, other than that, very good, regular veranda or balcony stateroom.
Yeah.
So, closets? You want to start with closets?
Sure,
I think
we'll start with closets.
you usually do the closets.
Hey. So these two open up. Can you even get any?
I'm gonna.
It's a little snug.
Yeah,
I'm
yeah,
like,
okay.
and then you have closet space here. This is a 3-night cruise, so this is enough space for 3 nights.
Some extra hangar space.
Yeah.
You could probably get a 7-night in here.
Yeah, you probably.
Watch your arm. Watch
you
your
probably
arm.
could.
Watch your arm.
My arm.
Four times,
My
I
arm.
say
My
watch your
arm.
arms. Okay, 4. Yeah, thank you. Okay. All right, thank you.
Yeah,
Thank
is
you,
that
thank you.
good?
Yeah, very
Okay,
good.
good.
Very good.
And then the next one.
Oh, yeah.
This is your safe
yeah.
and drawers space.
Okay.
Yeah.
Pretty standard safe, pretty standard size.
Yep. And then you want to go in the
Yeah, we
bathroom?
can go straight to the bathroom.
Okay.
Bathroom has some interesting things to see.
Bathroom has some interesting things. Okay. So,
First of all, I'm going to have you sit right on the toilet.
Yeah. Let's do
And
that.
watch what happens. You feel like, as when she's sitting on the toilet, how do you get in there? Look at that. She's touching the door. Like if you're a bigger guy, and I'm bigger than she is, it's kind of hard to poop because
Yeah.
you got to lean to your right to kind of even sit on the seat. But then Scott was there yesterday and accidentally found out that the doors completely open up and you have lots of space. And you can plug in our Virgin video right here, where we learned that door did something that we didn't expect.
Yeah,
So that was the first thing to note, is that, the doors do something that allows you to open it up bigger. So when you're pooping, you have more space.
So
It's your typical setup.
It is.
I will say that, and we're going to put this in the review, and I may actually connect with MSC. I asked for a second time on Seashore and now on Divina for a maintenance request. And 2 times, nothing happened.
Right.
At least the first one on Seashore, they showed up and did nothing about it.
When you turn this on, water just
Comes out of the thing.
Yeah.
And then also the outer buttons, so the outer knobs, are not shooting in water at all.
Oh.
It's only coming from the inside.
Oh, interesting. I didn't notice that.
Yeah. And by the way, if you have a sunburn, this shower's going to hurt you. It's good pressure, but it's like beady pressure.
Yeah.
And I can imagine if you're out at NASA all day, you would get
I want to mention one other thing is that this, which is the body wash, this is day 2 of our 3-day cruise. First day, it had no body wash. Second day, it had no body wash.
Yours truly walked down to the cart and grabbed the whole bottle to fill it, and I filled it with hand gel and not body wash.
Whoopsie.
But at least I could shower. I showered with hand gel, not body wash, and she showered with shampoo. So we had a bit of a service issue so far on this ship.
We have.
It is a little snug for you guys who are a little bit bigger. I had to open the doors again. That's traditional. Basically, anything that's non-suite or non-yacht club, I've had to open the doors.
Yeah.
Even on Seabourn, I had to open the doors, though. So it's just to bend over. It's not even a fat thing. It's a tall thing. It's about to fit your body and your legs and feet. Your head hits the wall.
Yeah.
Shelving.
Standard, very standard bathroom.
Some space down there as well.
Very standard.
Normal toilet.
I find it weird they're not giving us any bars of soap. So they only have liquid.
I've never seen this before.
So
usually it's a bar.
Like, even if there wasn't body wash, I would have been like, okay, no big deal.
Could have grabbed the bar of soap.
I'll just use the bar of soap, but there was no bar of soap. Nope. Can you pop back in here? I want to show one
it's the third time.
I know. Bonus points.
I'm trying to leave the bathroom. It's 7 minutes in the bathroom.
Oh, well, I can't help it. Bonus points.
Yeah.
Anybody know what this is?
Hold on. You didn't tell me to do this.
I know. I think it's a bottle opener for beer bottles, but...
So is that for a shower beer, a poop beer? Why would you have a bottle opener in the shower?
I don't know.
In the bathroom.
Can anyone who knows, can you tell me?
There you go.
Thank you.
All right.
Okay.
Can I get out of the bathroom now?
Yeah.
Oh, thank
God.
Thankfully.
So...
I will shoot right to the end table, which you will notice, no outlets, no USBs, no nothing. And you think, oh, well, maybe they just put it on one side like they've done in other ships. Nope. To be fair, 10-year-old ship. So I don't know if all of us had all the devices 10 years ago. But it's been in dry dock since.
They should have
something by now.
Something, yeah. So the only electrical sockets in the entire room are right here. There are 2 of them, so that is good.
And you always want to bring one of these doohickeys that gives you some extra ports. But remember, it cannot have a surge protector.
Right.
Because that messes with the electrical system, and they will confiscate it.
Right.
It's just an extension cord with multiple outlets.
So
anyway, I just want to point out this. I don't understand this. It's a nice decorative factor. Maybe for you young couples could find interest with that. But like, if you're trying to see yourself in the mirror, you're this close. Like I don't know. I think it's a young lover's mirror.
Oh God! Oh, I didn't even think about that.
That's your desk space. No actual chair, just a little stool.
Hair dryer.
Yeah, not very good, Laura said. I don't have much hair, so it doesn't matter.
Well, the biggest problem I have is you got to hold this button to turn it on. So you have to hold it like for a half hour
Sounds like
straight.
a woman's issue.
Yeah.
All right. Anyway, desk space, the tiniest TV you've seen.
It looks like a computer
But we don't watch
monitor.
TV, so whatever.
Yeah,
This is our only
true.
problem with the room, really, other than the showers.
Yeah.
I'm going to show you, like, I can't even go out on the balcony like I've done in other videos to show you the depth, the width, because there's, like, just chairs in my way.
It's a small balcony.
It's a tiny balcony.
Yeah.
It's a tiny balcony. Like,
But it's a balcony. My biggest
true. That is
complaint
true.
with the balcony is this metal roof here. It really blocks the view to the night sky.
Yep, that was something we noticed last night.
So I do want to just tell
That
you.
is not unique to MSC. The Equinox that we're going on next year has the exact same thing.
Yeah.
So I'm sure many ships actually have it.
You just have to be careful when you're picking a room. I want to point out the orange towels.
Oh, yeah. We saw this once on Navigator, but then they undid the rule. When we were in California, they had that same thing.
Oh, they did?
Mm-hmm. But
How interesting.
I'm jumping the gun. Tell them the story.
Yeah, so those are your pool towels. There are no pool towels on the pool deck. If you want to go to the pool, those are your towels and you bring them to the pool.
Which is kind of odd. Especially because if you come on board day one and you've got your bathing suit on because you're smart and you say, oh, I'm going to take a dip because nobody else has it and the pools are empty, you have no towel.
Right.
You can't get to your room.
Exactly. Yeah.
But Navigator did the same thing to us in California. And then there were towels up there too.
Okay.
There was even I have a picture, and maybe in the video, of a sign that says, these are your towels, blah, blah.
Oh, I don't remember
It was the whole
that.
thing.
All right, well, that's the biggest, not
So
biggest.
this is good, though. I mean, if you remember on our seashore, we said there was, honestly, it's not really much more
No, I
view.
don't understand why
I
they
can't push
don't.
those further back.
You can't push them.
Get smushied. Yeah.
Anyway.
You'll get the sunlight in the morning.
Yeah.
But they do have for you folks who like to sleep in the complete dark, a nice blackout. Yeah, Laura jammed it up. Blackout curtain thing where you can completely close it and you'll have complete darkness.
Yeah.
So that's nice for you dark room sleeper people.
Your one and only chair.
Yeah, I mentioned
for
that.
Oh, you did?
Yeah, I actually, when I needed to do some work, pulled that chair inside because there's no chair with a back to do work. It's a little snug for if you have 4 people in here, unless you have very young children.
Oh, it would be really
I would not have
snug.
anything older than 5, 6, 7. Anything younger would be fine, but older kids sharing that tiny bathroom and it's a bit snug.
Because you can see that to get into the closet.
Oh, she's doing things.
You can't, if this door is open, you can't get in. It's
a bit snug.
It's challenging.
It's a bit snug for 4 people.
It's definitely challenging. It's snug for 2 people.
Yep.
But
all right, so you were about to say something, or no? Are we about to wrap?
I think we're about to wrap. Overall, it works.
I would call it just your standard balcony stateroom.
Standard. It's
very regular,
yeah.
very nice. If you get a good price on it, 100% I would do it every time.
I completely
would do it
would.
again next month, which we actually are talking about.
Yeah.
So, nothing wrong with it at all.
I would.
It's good value, quality room. Just has its shortcomings, It's a 10-year-old ship, has some things it needs to work on, but
Yeah, exactly.
that's about it.
Well,
all right, so then that's it. Don't forget to check out our ship tour that we're about to do and our review we're going to do later today. And
that's
it.
And subscribe.
Yeah, subscribe.
Please.
Tell your friends. What's the thing I always do?
Smoke signals.
Smoke signals, but it looks like some other kind of
Smoke
gesture.
signals.
Smoke signal. But what is the smoke signals about?
Well, it was just to let people know. They were supposed to send smoke signals.
Oh, a communication style, like a telegraph or smoke.
Yes,
Okay,
like
got it.
doo-doo-doo-doo-doo.
All right, I think we're going to wrap on that.
Thank goodness.
Bye, y'all.
Hey.